Trying to do a strap, hold on.
Don't swear, our children are gonna hear this. It goes like this, sweetie. Stop.
I can't see it, I couldn't see it.
Can you just pull that down over?
What's that?
Okay, I'll do it here.
Well, at this rate, we'll have it a whole day. Oh yeah.
I can't see the whole day.
I know.
It's okay.
But I want
We're gonna get hungry anyways.
No,
Usually
I
I'm
can go
good.
a full day without skiing.
I'm good to go, but I'm usually good to go by like.
Is my helmet on? Strapped?
Yeah, you're strapped.
Oh, nice.
And you need to have your video camera on.
It is on.
Running.
We'll come back and then you can video me and then I'll be done with this. Done with this silliness. Can you pull around so we start straight out that way?
Yeah.
Okay. That was not how you're going the wrong way!
Grab it! Sarah, grab it!
I'm going to! Fuck! Jesus Christ. He's just like, no. Hold on!
Wait!
Here you go. Okay.
It's soft everywhere, okay? Don't be afraid of the ruts.
Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh. for too long.
Sorry.
And my legs were dying. I had to let go.
That was pretty good, sweetie.
That's way funner than wakeboarding.
Is it?
But I like skiing, so that's why.
Yeah. You can water ski.
I need to catch my breath. Hold on. Oh, fresh air.
You can pause the camera.
I need my inhaler. I was like, that's not tiring. You guys are such babies. And now that I'm on, I'm like, oh my god. It just hurts your legs.
You want me to tow you in?
Yeah, but go fast.
I'm gonna whip you so you just let go and skate in the
If I remember. Okay. Fuck. What?
camera's coming on.
Oh, I can feel that actually.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe don't go really fast because my legs really hurt. Okay?
Just pop the whole thing out.
Just take it. I don't need it right now.